Okay, for this is we're doing 6B, which is coordinate geometry in the geometry section of Study Island. So first thing that we're going to look at, let's see, is the distance formula. So as you see in the green box, the distance formula is x squared, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This is not unfamiliar territory for you guys. This is basically calculating the length and the height of the triangle so that you can get the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is D. Your x's values are your A and your y values are B. So let's move on. So they give you the vertices, -4, -4, -2, -2, 4, and R is 2, -4. We scroll down, we see that they chart it for us right there. You're going to use the distance formula to get each length, and you know how to use the distance formula for all these lines here because you got a triangle here. All you have to do is get the lengths of the horizontal side and also the vertical side, and you plug in the values in here. So here they actually use the address points with the x1 and x2 and y2 and y1. So let's just to give you an example, let's do PQ. PQ is P to Q. So the first part, let's see, they're going to use -2 minus -4, which becomes a +4. And then they're going to use 4 minus -4. Yep, that's what it is. Once you computate 2 squared and 8 squared, you get square root of 68, which is 2 square root of 17. You're going to keep doing this for QR, RP. The last one, QS, is your perpendicular line that touches through PR. That is used because they're going to ask you for area and perimeter in this question. So it says, yeah, calculate the perimeter and area. The perimeter is the sides of the triangle, which is PQ, QR, and RP. So you're going to add these three values, 2 square root of 17, 4 square root of 5, and 6, which is what they did down there. For the area of a triangle, you know, is half of the base times height. So half of RP is, let's see what it is, 6 units. If you look up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, let's see, height. Height is 8 units. There it is right there, height. So we already counted. We'll go ahead and count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the height of the triangle is 8. We plug in the values 6, 8, and half, and we come out to 24 square units. So the perimeter is the sum of 2 square root of 17 plus 4 square root of 5 plus 6. And the area is 24 square units. So let's take a look at the second example. So if we look at the second example, vertices of a rectangle EFGH, and there they go. There's the points. They go ahead and graph it for you. It looks like a rectangle that's tilted at a 45-degree angle. Once again, you're going to use your distance formulas to calculate the lengths of these sides, and they do it here for you. So for EF, it's 1 minus -5, which is the the x coordinates from EF, yeah, 1 minus -5. So they did that for you. That comes out to 6. 6 squared is 36. 4 plus 2 is 6. Comes out to 70. Yeah, it's going to come out to square root of 72. And then when you reduce that, it comes out to 6 square root of 2. They do this for all the sides. Now they want the perimeter. The perimeter is nothing more than the sum of all these lengths. And if you notice, they all have the square root of 2, so you're just going to add the numbers on the outside of the square root, which 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3, that is 18 square root of 2. There it is. Area is length times width. Grab a length and grab a width. So for it'd be 6 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2. And that would be 18 times 2, which would be 36. Yep. 6 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 is 36 square units. So, all right, so we are done with part 1 of 3. Let's see,